Red alert in Karachi. Rangers, police and barricades is all you can see on the major streets of the city. But little has changed for an ordinary man. Mohammed Roshan has been working for 20 years in one of the most crowded markets of Karachi, where security presence is almost none. Roshan says he feels scared about possible terrorist attacks, but there's nothing more he can do.
खौफ तो होता ही है भाई, तो क्या करें फिर, रोज़ी तो कमाना ही है, बच्चों का रोज़ी तो कमाना ही है, क्या करें?
For others, life is not so different. Kamran lives in Liari, a town widely infamous for gang wars and street crimes. He says fear is what he carries all the time.
घर वालों का तो कोप होता है ना, हर जगह जाओ घर वालों का कोप होता है, नहीं भी हुए उसके लिए तो कोप होता है, बोलते काम तो करने हो यही बोलेंगे और क्या बोलेंगे.
The fear does not disappear even in faith. Despite security cordons around mosques, people do not seem to be satisfied.
इतनी सिक्योरिटी है, इतनी जगहों पर है, मतलब पुलिस के हेडक्वार्टरों में लोग घुस रहे हैं यार, तो वहाँ कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो यहाँ क्या होगा?
Authorities say they are taking all precautions to avoid scenes witnessed in the past weeks. There seems to be no disagreement among the citizens over the increased level of security in the city. But one common concern that most people share is who this security is for. For them, the government is more concerned about its own installations than the ordinary lives. Aftab Borka, Dawn News, Karachi.